your front row seat to the world's most powerful, precise, and game-changing dredging and trenching technology. From clearing clogged canals to reshaping entire landscapes, these machines are engineered to dominate the dirt. Let's dive into the unstoppable forces making it happen. The Damon Mini Dredger is a compact powerhouse built by Damon shipyards to clean areas where big machines simply can't go. It tackles silt, sludge, and sand with precision, and thanks to its modular design, it's easy to transport and deploy in places like ponds, canals, and marinas. The ADC Luton Mini Dredger may look small, but it's built for serious precision dredging. Ideal for shallow water and tight spaces like marinas or inland waterways, it features a hydraulic pump and cutter head to remove silt and debris with minimal disturbance. When the job gets messy, hydro-cleansing comes in strong. Operating some of the UK's most advanced jet vac and suction excavation trucks, they clear everything from blocked sewers to oil interceptors with powerful water jets and vacuum booms that handle sludge like it's nothing. The Watermaster Amphibious excavator is a multitasking beast built in Finland for shallow water work. It can drive on land, float on water, and anchor itself with hydraulic legs for stable operation. Whether it's dredging, pile driving, or raking, it handles multiple tasks with one modular base. Belgium's Vandal ditch cleaner brings speed and cleanliness to ditch clearing. With a high-speed rotating drum and adjustable blades, it scoops, shapes, and clears ditches in one go, perfect for farmland and roadside maintenance. The Truxer is an amphibious multi-tool that glides between land and water. It clears silt, weeds, and sludge using a variety of attachments like pumps, rakes, and cutters, and it's designed for minimal environmental impact in sensitive zones. Precision meets control in the Hubie LC90 e-tronic. This compact excavator combines hydraulic power with electronic precision, offering pinpoint control over slope, depth, and angle, perfect for drainage canals and embankments. The AM 1500 ditch digger is all about raw digging power. With a reinforced arm and hydraulic trenching wheel, it cuts through tough soils to deliver clean, consistent ditches ideal for agriculture and infrastructure. Damon Shipyards doesn't just build dredgers, they design entire fleets. From high-speed patrol boats to offshore giants, their vessels operate in over 35 countries for missions in dredging, defense, transport, and environmental engineering. The ROMX ditch cleaner brings muscle and accuracy together. Its hydraulic boom and heavy-duty cutter drum clear vegetation, sediment, and debris, leaving behind well-shaped ditches for farms, irrigation, and roadways. The Psych Silt Away is a compact yet powerful filtration system designed to remove suspended solids from water during construction or dredging. Its series of settling chambers keeps the environment clean and avoids costly pollution fines. When sediment builds up faster than pumps can handle, the silt pusher takes over. Mounted to excavators or amphibious rigs, it physically pushes sludge and silt into removal zones. It's simple, rugged, and brutally effective. The Shoal Silt Solidification Unit turns sludge into something solid. Using binders and mixers, it transforms soft sediment into stable, load-bearing ground, perfect for reclaiming swampy, waterlogged areas on site. The Vortex Drain Digger is built for high-efficiency trenching. Its rotating drum and angled blades cut smooth, consistent trenches in even the toughest soils, making it perfect for drainage system installation. Prairieland builds ditchers and land levelers tough enough for North America. Whether it's leveling fields or managing erosion, their machines deliver accurate water control in some of the harshest terrains.